Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark Flu School Reviews back getting the video. Today I'm gonna be doing a review of a lava lamp slash Bluetooth speaker. Alright? But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politics out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, notification bell, so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Stay tuned towards the end of the video. I'll give you some information about a giveaway on the channel. Alright? Alright. Now that we got all that business and politics out of the way, let's get to the video. Alright. This is your boy Mark Flu School Reviews back giving another video. Like I said, I'm gonna be reviewing a lava lamp slash Bluetooth speaker. Like I've done once before. Done videos about products I done found at random Walmart. So I just happened to be going to Walmart again, seeing a random product. I was like, man, this looks different. This strange, different. You know what I'm saying? Let me check it out and put it on the channel. And that's what I did. This is a lava lamp slash LED. Let me read it off the box. The Aurora LED twisted lava lamp, built-in Bluetooth speaker. All right. Bring it close up so you can see that. That's what it says. And it's color is like a green, a lime green color, whatever, black, whatever. Bluetooth, and it's got a 3.5mm jack input on there. All right. I've opened it up to look at it already, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it together right here. And I'm gonna show you the box. This is the other side of the box, showing you the little Bluetooth speaker on here. You get a reflection of my ring lamp. My ring light is kind of in the way, and it's from a company called Tzumi. I've seen products from them before. Tzumi, you can see that. So they make some decent low budget products. Here's the back of the box. You can pause this and read it for yourself. It says built-in Bluetooth speaker, twisted LED lamp, works with most smartphones and devices. Colorful, soothing, max motion display, great for offices, bedroom, parties, and more. It's 16.5 inches in height. Perfect as a night light. So that's cool too. Just put it on somewhere to display or whatever. So let's go ahead and open up the box and see what we get in the box. All right. So I had to do it from this angle because it was so tall. I couldn't do the overhead angle. All right. Take this out. The little something came in the box. Pull this bad boy out and be careful not to shake it because you don't want that whatever that stuff is inside of it to really come apart from what I was reading on the directions. So try not to slide it too much, not to shake it too much. As I said, that's one thing you don't want to do. You don't want to shake it. It's hard to get out of this box, so I might have to do a cutaway scene. All right. Let me toss this box to the side, get out of my way. Alright. You see, comes in the box. Got your instructions in here. Let's toss this foam to the side. That's so to make sure you got this foam on here, make sure it don't break in shipping. Alright. Alright, here's your base, which is the Bluetooth speaker. As you can see inside here, this is the little heated light that heats up the stuff that's inside. I call it goo. Wherever you want to call it, I'm gonna call it goo. And here's your Bluetooth speaker. Here's your on and off switch. This is go ahead to turn the speaker on so you can have the sound. And then this is in the middle is off. And then to cut the light off. And then the bottom is just to have the light on only without the speaker playing. All right. But I'm gonna get to that a little bit later. And put it back in the off position. And here's your little instruction booklet it comes with. You can kind of see that because my ring light is coming to the glare off my ring light. So really, you want to hold on to this because you can pause this, read it for yourself, but you want to hold on to this because it tells you, because I didn't know you didn't want you to shake it because you might dilute the water and it becomes cloudy and you don't get the good effect like you wanted to have. Alright, let's toss this plastic to the side. Alright, here it is. And this is a little top that goes on here as so. That way or that way? I think it's that way. and they got the glue down here in the bottom. You see it's, some of them came apart because, like I said, I've used it already to try to test it out. So yeah, they got the glue in the bottom. It's all solid glass. You can see how some of the stuff is floating around in there. But once you get it heated up and everything, all that stuff, it comes together. Put it back, put it in here. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it up. Got your little plastic thing, zip ties on here, and you got your 3.5mm cord it comes with. Now I'm trying to figure out. Okay, yeah. Let me take this base off real quick and set it down. Please don't break. Please don't fall. All right. This is where you put your on the bottom, on the back. It's where you plug your 3.5mm jack. Plug it in there. So if you got an old school device, or you still got a cell phone that has a headphone jack, you can use this to plug it in there. You know what I'm saying? But I probably won't be. I'm gonna be using the Bluetooth function on it. All right. All right. Let me go ahead and plug this bad boy in. Plug it in right here. Let's see here. Make sure I got it plugged in the right way. Alright. Got it plugged in. Go ahead and stick this bad boy on here like so. Alright. Here comes the magic. Bam. Alright, this is how it's going to look when it's fully plugged in. Alright. Now, when you first initially hook it up, from what I read in directions, and I also did some research online, is you want to let it heat up for a while. It's going to get real hot, so it can warm up the goo in there, so it'll make the little pretty stuff that it does, whatever, the lava feature or whatever. So you got to let this warm up. So I'm gonna come back a little bit later, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks once it gets all once it gets heated up, and then it starts to move around inside. But before we do that, I can at least go ahead and demonstrate right now the Bluetooth speaker. So let me go ahead and see if I can go ahead and sync it to my iPod. Let's see, Bluetooth. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on to lava lamp. Okay, it's connected. All right. Now you ain't gonna expect no great sound. This is just something to sit back. You want to listen to some audio books or something like that. You know what I'm saying, or a podcast or something like that, or just if you have it sitting in your office, you just want to have it sitting down, turned down low. So let me see if I got some music on. I got some my copyright free music that I own the rights to. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Then get it to max volume, and I'm gonna get out my my decibel meter and check it out in a minute too. I'm a second, this is thing, I got a chop, pedal to the middle north, cause a non-stop, listen to the bass drum, when I pick it up, watch a lose control, my flat ass on the floor, getting low, we can fire on the track like Jack's do, spitting rhymes in my all black Nike suit, got the booth on fire, man, hit me for high, sipping nose, Red Bull was a mad loop, when the girl walked by, don't grab that ass, when I woke up in the funny, spinning the cash, people always trying to tell me that I finished last, yeah, I'm a nice guy, but your ass grass, if you step to me, know who I be, I'm a crazy homeboy with a gangster beat, with a sexy young bitch standing next to me, and my watch on my wrist, so know what time it be. Listen to me, let me tell you one thing. When I come to ripping out with a championship frame, when I come to making out with smacking the game, when they come to flowing like the flow is insane. If you say something, then use a lane. Looks like the loudest it gets is about 90 decibels. There's no bass. Barely any bass. But turn it down. Like you gonna be the reason I sell out my show. $1,000 bills in the hand. It sounds okay, but like I said, if you're buying this for strictly for you want to listen to, if you want to listen to some music, just for good, just because you really want to hear some good music. Don't buy it. Let me turn this down. Let me go ahead and pause this so I can hear what I'm saying. This is basically something for show, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, the Bluetooth speaker on there is an added bonus and everything. Let me turn these lights back up in the studio a little bit more. This is basically for, you know what I'm saying? This is basically just something for show. You can put up on a shelf somewhere. And like I said, you know, you're not buying this because you want to crank up the party. This is something if you want to hear, listen to a podcast, or you know, if you want to have the music down low, you're in your office, you just want to have it down low because you don't want to, you know, blast out the office. This is what this would be for, you know what I'm saying? And then, you know, or they basically for the nightlife, you can cut off the speaker part and just cut it on, and you know, this is just basically for, you know, for show. That's basically what it's for. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut the video right here, and then I'm gonna come back once all the substance in here gets melted and it starts doing the little lava effect. So you can come back. So you can come back and see how it looks. All right. Hold tight. All right. I had gave the lamp enough time for it to warm up so you can start seeing the effects of the lava inside. It takes about a good, you know, after the first initial use, it takes about a good hour and a half to get it warmed up enough before you start seeing the lava effects on there. But also, and if I'm not mistaken, in the instructions, it also states that you don't want to leave it. You don't want to leave this thing running for more than 8 hours at a time straight. You know what I'm saying? So basically, don't go to sleep with a bad boy on for over 8 hours. But I want to stress that it says in the instructions, don't leave this light on for more than, you know, 8 hours straight at a time. So go. But this is how it's gonna look, you know, once it starts heating up. Like it's been going now for 2 hours. I did a cut scene. I cut from one scene to this scene because I had to give it time to warm up. But so you can start to see those effects of the, I call it goo in here, but it's the lava or whatever inside. And it takes a minute for it to warm up and move around. Because if I would have sat here for 2 hours, the video would have been just too long. The video already long as it is, but it would have been too long. But yeah, this is how it's gonna look. Like I say, maybe another 30 minutes, you'll start seeing it more. Because like I said, when I did it the first time, I did it for 2 hours, and you start seeing the lava move way more than it's moving now. You see it got little bubbles in there. And it said make sure you don't shake it, because if you shake it, all this stuff is going to get mixed up in there. It's going to get too fine. It's going to start being cloudy, because that's one of the things it says in the directions too. Don't shake the lamp, because it'll make the stuff mix with the water too fine and start getting cloudy. So just let it sit, do its thing. You can play your music with it. Check it out. See, now you can see how it's coming apart and floating to the top. You know what I'm saying? See the effects. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool little thing. Like, I think, if I'm not mistaken, the price on Walmart was $24.88. So if you want, you know, like you want to have this like playing with the little ambiance on here, whatever you have this lit up or whatever. See how it's going. Turn your music on. Sync it to your device. Let me sync this. Make sure I got it synced back up, because I had to turn the Bluetooth feature off for a minute. Now we connected to get it back to put the music on here. And like I said, this you know, you're not buying this for the Bluetooth speaker. You're buying it for just the ambiance, whatever. And if you want to play some little soft jazz music before you go to sleep, you can do that too. But this is my own copyright-free music that I'm playing right here. So you know, at high volumes, like I said when I showed you earlier, yeah, it's not gonna sound too great. Just at low volume, just chill. So you got music, a little light feature, little lava feature. Pretty cool. $24, it ain't bad, you know what I'm saying? So, but I wouldn't pay over I wouldn't pay over $25, $30 for it, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, if you just want something to decorate your office, or you decorate, you know, your living room somewhere, make sure you keep it up high. If you got little kids, make sure you keep this out of their reach. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you keep it up high out of their reach, alright? Let me turn this music off so I can hear what I'm saying. But like I said, you know, you can pick this up at your local Walmart, 24.88 or whatever. Like I said, you know, all Walmarts ain't gonna have them. Certain ones have it. So, you know, just check it out. Like I say, if I can find a link, I'm gonna leave a link in the description box down below. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, notification bell so you can notify a new video. Tell a friend, tell a friend. And like I say, keep out of reach of little kids, because this is glass and they got this liquid in there. You don't want nobody to get hurt, alright? Little safety briefing, alright? Alright? But if you haven't already, like I said before, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And once I get to that 2,000 subscriber mark, like I said earlier in the video, I'm going to start doing giveaways to some of the products I review right here on the channel, alright? Alright, tell a friend, subscribe. Alright? And like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated, alright? Alright. And the message for today is, embrace your common sense. Use common sense. Just use your common sense, you know what I'm saying? There's a lot of stuff been going on in the world with all the news, these different, you know, coronavirus and all that good stuff. Just use common sense, people, you know what I'm saying? There's no need to go out here and panic. Just use common sense. That's the message for the day. Use your common sense. This has been your boy Mark, Fluid Screws and Views. Drop the mic, and I'm out. Peace.